Welcome to Dhiksha Learning. Hi kids, let's learn colors today. This is red. The apple is red. This is blue. The car is blue. This is yellow. The banana is yellow. This is green. The leaf is green. This is purple. The grapes are purple. This is orange. The orange is orange. This is pink. The balloon is pink. This is brown. The teddy bear is brown. This is white. The sheep is white. This is black. The cat is black. This is rainbow. Rainbow.